Hey, this is Drew, Florida Home Theaters in Orlando. I want to do a little unbox and installation of this episode Signature SIG-56-IW. That's an in-wall speaker, 6-inch in-wall speaker. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. So you do have your installation guide. This is your cutout template. You just pop it out. You got your grill over here. Metal grill, perforated grill, and your speaker. I'll go and pull this out. Now this is Signature 5 series, so this represents their mid-range in the Signature product. So you do have a 3/4 inch tunable tweeter and 6-inch woofer. Let me show you the back here. You can't get a back box for this, so if you have concerns of drywall, you're putting this on a bedroom, across from a bedroom or something like that, can't get a back box piece that goes here, attaches, and then it's a binding post delete, and then the binding post goes with the sealed enclosure. Okay, so, and these can be removed, so after installation, if you want, you can go back and remove these. If you're moving, something like that, these can be uninstalled pretty easily, but still give you a nice look. So you're going to leave the grill there basically. So let's see if we can do this. Okay. I don't know. Let's see here. Yeah, it's going to come out. Oh, Alright, there we go. So this portion comes out, that portion can stay, and then you can just leave it, come back another, so somebody else can actually come back with another speaker. Okay. So there you have it. And this clicks back into place. So let me show you how easy this is to just install. In just a second, and we'll look at that. All right, so this is a retrofit here. You can see that there was another speaker here previously. Did have to open the hole a little bit, just used the template and opened it up a little bit, beat in some nails. Sometimes you got something like that going on. And this is part of a distributed audio set of speakers, so this actually jumps over to the other pair that are over there. All right, so got our binding posts connected, and I'll just slide this one in there. Okay, and then we just basically depress the dog ears here. Okay, now you can actually screw these down tighter. So you can actually give these a little bit more of a push down if you need to. This seems to be adequate. And then we'll push our grill on. And then we'll come back and touch up the pencil marks there from a bigger option that we were going to do, but they didn't. This hole was too small. So, all right. So very easy to install once again, and so let's go back and conclude. All right. So installation concluded. That was pretty easy. The manual does go through real quick and show you how to cut the hole out appropriately. Shows you the different models here. So the 6-inch units and the 8-inch. So that's a 56 or 58 designation. All right. Shows you the back box option here. So if you have a concern with noise travel throughout the space, either it's a floor above or a room next door, then that would be a nice addition. Shows you your cutout dimensions here. You can see that. Shows you your cutout depths, which is always a concern if you have, something that's in the way. So you always want to check for that. That's for the AWs, that's for the end walls. And then shows you how to do your connections for your speaker cables and how to engage your dog ears here. Tighten those down as needed. And then it shows you how to take them out. So you can just unscrew or push the screws up, or the springs, push the springs up, and then it'll actually release the dog ears. So it's pretty easy to get them out. So that's the manual, pretty much. Pretty simple. This has been a little review, unboxing of the episode Signature, the SIG-56-IW. If you'd like to purchase this product, give us a call here at Florida Home Theaters, 407-351-5798. You can check out our website, www.floridahometheaters.com, or hit us up by email, sales@floridahometheaters.com. This is Drew. Appreciate you checking out the demo. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Bye.